Hi. Today, we will show you how to register your services organization on the TRX app. Open the TRX Service app. Click on Not Registered Yet. Select Services Organization icon and hit the arrow button. If you are the owner of the services organization, select the owner icon. If you are an admin of the services organization and signing up the organization on behalf of the owner, select the admin. In this video, we will be covering the registration flow using the owner role. On the next screen, provide the details carefully for the organization and the owner. Double-check the email as the owner account will be created with this email. After filling in all the details, click on the Register button and you are done. An email will be sent to your provided email from 𝗧𝗥𝗫𝗀𝗏𝗂 with a verification code. Go to your favorite email client like Gmail or Outlook. Open your email that you use to create your TRX account and check for an email from 𝗧𝗥𝗫𝗀𝗏𝗂. If you couldn't find the email, please wait for 2 to 3 minutes or check the spam folder. Find the verification code. Now, open the TRX app and provide the verification code. On successful verification, you can log in and start being a part of logistics revolution. With this, we are done with registering a logistics organization on the TRX app. Thank you for your time.